Motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and
Hello, Chris here again. Today I will start to take the rear suspension apart, the one from the Yamaha XD. As you have seen in my former video, I have already made it more narrow to fit the new chassis. So today it's time to take it apart and check the conditions of all the parts, see if something needs to be replaced or fixed, and also start to prep it for powder coating. And feel free to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos about this build.
won't be walking away, yeah. New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah. 'Cause you know it's good, oh baby, we'll never get old.
Yeah, and this one the shaft is through, which means when I'm turning this nut, the shaft will turn, so this is not too easy to take open, but I will remove the wheels and show you a trick. Yeah, if you have a tool like this, it's usually going to be easier. I really don't know what the name is in English. Impact. Tool or yeah, whatever. So let's see.
Ooh yeah, I got my love blind, and ooh yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby, we'll never get old. Down in Cali, driving round with my baby, double drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I'll be walking away, yeah. Lock away your last, I don't need it. Throw away your life, it's unrequited. You don't deceive me, I see very small screen. Throw away your life.
Yeah, I will use some of this paint remover to put on the parts overnight so it can get a little bit easier. I don't have a sandblaster cabinet that will take all the big parts, so I will start with this one, so it will be a little bit easier than to make the finishing prep for the paint. This one I have used before for powder coat, so it seems to be good enough. So we just put on some and hope for the best. They are a little bit dirty, these parts, but hopefully it will work anyway. Yeah, that it's all for tonight. I will leave this. We'll leave this until tomorrow not morning, evening. So it will be like 24 hours, and then we will see how good it has worked and see if we can fix the rest then. Okay, let's see what has happened since yesterday. Yeah, I've worked on some parts. This seems to be electroplated. Here you can see that where it's painted, it has worked okay. Yeah, just start cleaning.